All right. Yeah, thank you very much, my people. We're back again. All right, this one is a big one, yes, the Oba of Benin. I've just confirmed, I believe that was yesterday, confirmed that Benin founded Lagos. I understand this is going to cause a lot of controversies on social media. A lot of people are going to argue and all that, but that's fine. But let's listen to this video before I'll have something to say about this. Let's listen to this, guys.
One of which was that Lagos was built by the people of Benin, a statement that has generated controversy in Nigeria, both in the past and currently.
I don't want to mention something that will now drag me into the controversy of Benin and Lagos. I cannot help but saying that at least it is in history books that Benin founded Lagos. But when some people will hear it now, they go haywire and say, what is the Oba saying there again? But it is true. Go and check out the records. Maybe not all over Lagos as we know it now, but certain area in Lagos, maybe the nucleus of Lagos was founded by my ancestors. The Oba of Lagos will say so. I'm sure you know that he will always emphasize that he comes from Benin. Everybody knows. But the source of Lagos is Benin. Whether any of you here he likes it or not. He likes to hear.
Well, it is the truth. A lot of people know this, but I mean, it's good that he's coming out again to say it. If you recall, during the election time, that whole story about Lagos is no man land. I think that, his statement there puts a lot to rest in that regard.
This was what I said during the election time that went viral. Let me quote what the Oba of Lagos said in an interview in 2017 that says from the Guardian that said Lagos Oba traces origin to Benin. They said, but last week in Lagos, the Oba said Lagos State is not part of Yoruba land. According to a statement from Iga Dugoran, the palace of the Lagos Oba, Oba Akiolu was quoted as saying, I was told by my late maternal grandmother, who was a descendant of Oba of Ewuare, with facts from historical book, and let me share the knowledge with you. Modern-day Lagos was founded by Prince Ado, son of Oba of Benin. Prince Ado was the first Oba of Lagos, and it was then named the town Eko until the Portuguese explorer Rui de Segura changed the maritime town to Lagos, which at that time, from 1942, was a Portuguese expedition. So I think Dr. Abadi has even stated the history. These were the things I talked about in a piece that a lot of people kept on. You see, even those that are claiming to be Lagosians, a lot of them are not Lagosians. Because of political expediency, they now start to claim Lagos. The true Lagosians know each other. So on that score, the Oba was right. And that's why we always read history. Because somebody took paper, wrote articles abusing me and saying all sorts, just because I recounted the history that in the history book that has been reiterated. And the Oba of Lagos reiterated that again. Yeah.
All right, guys. All right. To be honest, like I said, these have caused a lot of controversies on social media. But I just wanted to bring this here. But meanwhile, the Oba of Lagos reiterated as well in the past. He affirmed this particular story in the past. Let's quickly go to channels and listen to this. Thank you.
It's about the relationship between the Benin and the Eko people. Yes.
The first Oba of Lagos is a male descendant of Oba of Benin and very close person to him. He sent him on a mission here, and that's why we have a song. Omoko ni wao awa kinsho mo abidanu ode bini nobi baba awasi Oba lobi sibe kinshare eyigbo. That's any at the installation of any Oba. That song is always there. And anybody wants to be a chief or anything, or Oba, at that Enowa, when we finish the ceremony, we do like this. That thing we are doing, they are saluting the Oba of Benin.
Wow, wow. Guys, you guys can hear that, right? I understand some people are still going to argue this, because I have one reaction here quickly, which for me, I love feel laugh, but I only just brought one reaction. You can see that from Bright. Bright is saying that you are very wrong, sir. He's telling our Oba of Benin that you are very wrong, sir. Tinubu founded Lagos. He created the lands, water, air that we breathe in Lagos today. A lot of people, that guy have got more than 400 response to that. In fact, that particular comment was also pinned. It was pinned as the first comment ever. So a lot of people have reacted to it, telling us that, no, you are wrong, sir. Tinubu founded Lagos. He created the land, water, air that we breathe today in Lagos. My people right there, Aunasiam. What can you say about this? Please put your comment at the comment section and let's take it from here. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much. The beautiful thing about it is that the Oba of Benin, Oba Ewuare II, Ogidiga, have confirmed that Benin founded Lagos State. Why the Oba of Lagos affirmed it? That it is true. So I don't know what you are going to say, because these are two powerful men in Nigeria. They've affirmed it. But what about you? But let's see what you have to say on the comment section. Thank you very much, my people. Now, yeah, we join the court, and I'll see you guys later on. Take care and bye for now.